Hey there, VR enthusiasts. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the replaceable Elite strap for Meta Quest 3 VR headset. If you're tired of uncomfortable straps and pressure on your face while diving into the virtual world, then this is the perfect solution for you. This Elite strap features a T-shaped 360-degree plus 180-degree special design that ensures no pressure on your face, allowing you to adjust the hood according to your needs for a customized, comfortable fit. With a 180 degrees decompression design and a 34% weight reduction, you can say goodbye to 98% of the fatigue that comes with long-term wear. The side straps are made of upgraded ABS plus PC material, ensuring both environmental friendliness and extreme strength. They have undergone over 15,000 bending tests without breaking, making them more stable and durable than ever before. But that's not all. The back knob is flush with the VR headset with no bumps, making it comfortable to wear and use even while lying down. It easily adjusts for elasticity and fits head circumference of 16.9 to 24.8 inches. And when it comes to installation and storage, the head back padding is detachable and easy to clean, fitting perfectly in the official carrying case and most third-party cases on the market. You won't believe how easy it is to wear, thanks to the 60 degrees adjustable hinge and the round knob on the back that allows for fine-tuning to your specific head circumference. This feature is especially useful for those who wear glasses. Improve your VR experience and say hello to comfort and convenience with the replaceable Elite strap for Meta Quest 3 VR headset. Don't miss out on this incredible innovation. Click the link in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Happy gaming!